Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Ellen here. I welcome all you back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a simple and easy fudge recipe. We're going to make peanut butter fudge. And my friends, it is the bomb.com delicious, full of peanut butter goodness, and the best part, only 5 ingredients. This makes a great gift to give to your loved ones. Y'all gonna love this fudge. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my holiday treats recipes playlist and my previous video, cranberry meatballs. I'll post links to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your peanut butter, and your powdered sugar, because we're about to make some peanut butter fudge magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my saucepan, I got the fire over medium heat. I add in 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter. And we're going to add in 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. Going to give it a quick stir. And we're going to let them cook until the butter melts. Alright, my friends, the butter and peanut butter has melted. So now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Going to stir this in until it melts. Alrighty, my friends, so now we're going to cut the heat off. Now it's time to add in our last 2 ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And 3 cups of powdered sugar. Going to give this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Alright, as soon as I get through stirring in my powdered sugar, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through stirring up my peanut butter filling. This is what it looks like. Smells good. I love the smell of peanut butter. Alrighty, that looks great. Now I'm ready to pour it into the pan. We're going to pour it in the 8 by 8 inch square baking pan that I lined with parchment paper and greased with cooking spray. So now I'm going to shake it and spread it evenly. Alrighty, so now we're going to place our fudge in the refrigerator and we're going to let it chill for 2 hours until they harden. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, our fudge is nice and set, and off camera I removed it from the pan. So now we're about to cut the fudge into squares. Like so. Just like that. Alright, so now I'm about to place my peanut butter fudge onto a cake plate and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Peanut butter fudge. Does that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at that texture. It's chewy, decadent. I'm in peanut butter heaven. This reminds me of eating a Reese's peanut butter cup. This peanut butter fudge is divine and spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Tis the season for peanut butter. Fa la 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 la. Yum oh. Peanut butter fudge delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, send me an email. ellenshomemadelelife@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Stay safe. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.